friends, and welcome back to today's word of the day. Are you excited about today's word? Let's go. Today's word is bake, B-A-K-E. It is a noun. You can bake bread, cakes, pies, cookies, and much more in the oven. An example, the bakery baked fresh bread. That is my favorite smell. Let's play a game. Can it bake? I will show you a series of pictures. You get to scream bake or not. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you bake cookies? Yeah. Can you bake pizza? Yes. Can you bake stinky shoes? No. Can you bake bread? Yes. Can you bake a scooter? No. Can you bake a cake? Yes. You did amazing at bake or not. Here are some family fun ideas for the word of the day. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.